I'm Justin, president of Brandastic, and you know, Amazon is the #1 marketplace online. Are you looking for an agency that can bring your products online, optimize them, and outrank any competitors? Then you've come to the right place. We made this dream reality for a client called HealthMate, who looked to us to get them set up and optimized on the Amazon store. First, we did a competitive research on the Amazon marketplace for HealthMate. Then we added all the images and videos of the products on Amazon, including all of the descriptions for the products. Lastly, we optimized all their product pages for top keyword ranking. Brandastic is a holistic, multi-channel, full-service agency. With Brandastic, you have a complete access to our entire team who can do it all for you. We can unite all your channels from strategy to web development to marketing to paid media to SEO to video and more, so you get everything you need and the results that you're looking for. Reach out to us so we can get started for you today.